Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to make your iPhone flash when you get a text or call. Watch this video until the end, pay attention to what I do on this iPhone screen. Now I will try to send a message from another WhatsApp to WhatsApp on this iPhone. And now I will try calling via WhatsApp, then the light will flash. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.